Most synth plugins pretend to sound analog by playing back loops or static waveforms, but Ableton's Analog doesn't fake it. It thinks like a real circuit. It uses physical modeling to simulate how analog hardware behaves. That means it doesn't rely on samples or wavetables. It actually solves equations in real time to generate sound, just like the components in a real synth would. You get 2 rich oscillators, a noise source, and dual filters that can run in series or parallel. There's full modulation with LFOs and envelopes, and every stage of the signal path can be shaped and routed how you want. Because it's modeled so efficiently, it runs light on your CPU, even when stacked across multiple tracks. It also supports MPE, so with the right controller, you can add pitch bends, pressure, and slides that respond like a physical instrument. Analog wasn't built to copy one synth. It blends the best parts of many, and it was developed with Applied Acoustics Systems, the same team behind some of the best physical modeling instruments out there. If your tracks sound thin or lifeless, it might not be your writing, it might be your synth. Analog sounds warm, punchy, and expressive straight out of the box. Try building an entire track using only analog. You'll hear the difference when your tools stop pretending and start acting real. Want to master Ableton? Comment Ableton, and we'll DM you a link to our free Ableton live tools and resources.